Okay, hello everybody. So today we are going to introduce the concept of different LANs. So we are going to implement two LANs and we are going to connect these two LANs by a router. So first of all, we have to implement the two LANs and then we use the router to connect them. We are going to introduce how to configure the router and how to configure each PC in the network or the LAN to be able to reach the internet gateway. So the expression internet gateway is a new here. We are going to concentrate on how to understand the internet gateway. Okay, so first of all, we start by implementing our first LAN. So we go bring a switch here and we can add a device, PC, another PC, another PC. That's okay. And we can add another switch. We go to bring another switch. Okay, so we bring another switch. This is the first LAN, and this is the second LAN. I think we need only two PCs. No need for three PCs. Actually, if you want to delete this PC, we can go like using this icon to delete the PC. And also you can delete other PCs, but you can press escape from the keyboard to change the cursor to the normal cursor. Now we can go and change the names of every PC, but it's not important to do that. We need only to create to put or assign IP addresses for the PCs. So before starting, we have to connect all of these components together. Okay, and also we have two different LANs, so they are going to be a different IP address space. We can press the fast forward and also go to the PC. This is the first PC. Moment. Okay, so this is the first PC. The first PC. We put IP address configuration 192.168.1.11. This is the subnet mask. We are going to return back to assign the default gateway, but so far leave it as 000, no problem. Go to the second PC and go to the desktop, and we already learned how to do that. 192.168.1.12. And this is the subnet mask. Okay. Okay. And okay, I think I need to get rid of this part. Okay. Okay. This is the first LAN. The second LAN, go to the desktop, make the IP configuration, but this time make it as 10.10.10 dot, for example, 11. And this is the subnet mask, and we need to change also the default gateway, but not for now. We'll go to the second one and change the desktop. Go to the desktop and put the IP address as 10.10.10.12, and this is the subnet mask. Okay. Now, if you want to test your LAN is working or not, everyone separately. So we connect this by that, successful. We connect this by that, also successful. So no, the configuration is correct. Now we need to connect these two PCs together. Sorry, we want to connect the first LAN to the second LAN, and to do that, and also we want to connect all the PCs together. So this PC can connect to that PC, and that PC can connect to all the PCs here. We want to, because you know they having a different IP address space. They have different IP address space. So make sure that they are connected together using the router. We click on the routers and we get this 1941 because it has two interfaces, and we connect using our direct connection. And if you want to change the interface, for example, you click on this red rectangle, and you can change which gigabit Ethernet you are going to connect to. So you can change it. Just to click on that circle, and you are going to change how to connect it. And here also connect. And you see this is gigabit Ethernet 00, and this is connected to gigabit Ethernet 01. Okay. Now you see we have red rectangles. This means the communication is not working. This means all these PCs cannot connect to the other PC on the other LAN. To do that, we have to configure this router. We have to configure this router. We have this is the 10 LAN, and this is the 192 LAN. So we go to, we know this, the interface is 00 for 192, and this 01 for the 10. This, keep it in mind. Go to the configuration of the router, and for config, we have two interfaces here. Click on that interface and write the IP address to be 192.168.1.1. It should be 1 because this is the default gateway. And make sure that you turn on the interface. If you don't turn on the interface, it's going to stop on the red color as not going to work. So after I press the on, you see the result is a green rectangle. This means it is working and the interface is starting right now. We go again to the configuration tab and click on Gigabit Ethernet 01 and configure it as 10.10.10.1 and the subnet mask to 255.0.0.0. Okay, and you forget something, forget to make it on, so you have to go and turn it on. Okay, fast forward, this means it's now is connected. But if you test the communication now, you see in progress failed. If you do it again, is also failed. You see, we have a list here, and this list is also failed. Sorry, this also failed. You see, failed. It's failed. Why is failed? Because we have to go to all the PCs and tell them the default gateway. So we have to give them the default gateway to go outside of this LAN. So go to this PC, go to the IP address, and make the default gateway to 10.10.10.1 and copy it instead of writing it many times, and do it again here. Paste, and that's it for this LAN. And that LAN also you have to change the IP address or the default gateway address to 192.168.1.1 and copy it because you're going to give it to the other PC. Go there and paste it here, the address, paste it here. Okay. Now you configured all the requirements of the LAN. You can say this is not LAN right now. You can say it's kind of WAN. No, you can say it's LAN because maybe this router is internal to the network or the company. So you can say is LAN. It's still LAN. Okay. And you can test right now. You can clean all of these entries, delete all of them, and then you go to have a fresh version of this. Copy, same progress is failed. Oh, okay. So this is failed the first time, and if you repeat it again, it's going to work just because the router and the configuration is not ready, but now they are ready. So you can go another time from another devices, and you see it's failed too. So the second time is going to succeed, as you see here. Okay. So in this video, we learned how to connect to two different LANs using a router, and we have learned how to configure the router with two interfaces to be internet gateway or default gateway for the two LANs. Thank you very much. See you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.